A guide you to change channel handle name on YouTube. For that, firstly, let's open the YouTube. After that, you need to tap on your profile over there, which is in the right side top. So after tapping on there, here you could find the list of options. In that, you need to go for YouTube Studio. So let's say here you could find the handle name which is beside, that means below your channel name. So that is right now for me. And now let's say if I need to change that, I need to go for YouTube Studio. And after going over there, I could see the list of options here, which is in the left side. In that, I could tap on the customization for changing that handle name. So let me tap on that, and it will take you to the page where you could handle or change whatever the profile name, picture, or your channel name to. So let's say this is the handle which is below the name of that YouTube channel. I'm backspacing this and it will suggest me another name of that. So here you could see that productive 03. If I tap on this, and that will be ticked. Now, if you tap on publish, that will be published on your YouTube channel, and any of the people can see your YouTube handle. This is how you could change handle YouTube on. This is how you could change YouTube channel handle. Thank you.